The iPhone 15 Pro Max will be available in September, and we now know the design, specifications, and price. We have proof that Samsung Screens has been awarded clearance to manufacture the screens, and that mass manufacturing has already begun. All 4 variants of the iPhone 15 series will now include the dynamic this time. We've made even more upgrades to the Pro models. Ice Universe stated that the bezel has been lowered to just 1.5 mm using to Apple's LiPo technology, and that we can also expect a better and brighter display, since its predecessor had a max brightness of an amazing 2000 nits. The iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max are expected to have peak brightness of up to 2200 nits. We have excellent news that the Pro models will have a significant material boost. According to Leica Unknowns 21, the iPhone 15 Pro models will use grade 5 titanium for the frame, and he has obtained adequate proof to substantiate this. According to sources, the iPhone 15 Pro models will be available in dark blue and crimson red, while the iPhone 15 and Plus versions will be available in a new green hue with smaller bezels. The design of the Pro models has also altered, and they have flat edges like the predecessor, but they now have additional curve to make it more pleasant to grasp in the hand. In addition, the alert slider has been totally deleted in favor of a new customizable action button, and due to code unearthed in iOS 17, we know precisely what this will provide. You may now utilize it to rapidly access voice memos, translations, and magnification. Focus mode camera with flash and quiet mode. We even have the ability to access shortcuts, which means you can pretty much make the button do anything you want. It's not limited to one action though, you'll be able to choose an action for a single press, a double press, or even a lengthy hold. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.